Are you spending hours every week creating audio content for your homeschool lessons, only to have your kids lose interest after 5 minutes? Picture this scenario. It's Sunday night, and you're sitting at your kitchen table with a stack of history textbooks, trying to record chapter summaries for tomorrow's lesson. Your voice is already hoarse from reading aloud all day. Your youngest keeps interrupting, asking for snacks. And after 3 attempts, you still haven't gotten through the first paragraph without stumbling over dates and pronunciation. Sound familiar? Here's what I discovered that changed everything for our homeschool family. There's a simple solution that takes just 5 minutes to set up, but transforms how your children engage with learning materials. It's called ElevenLabs, and it creates human-like voices that can read any text you throw at it. Let me break down exactly how this works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for ElevenLabs and choose from their library of over 300 natural-sounding voices. You can filter by age, gender, and accent to find the perfect narrator for each subject. Why does this work so well? Children respond differently to different voices, and having variety keeps their attention focused on the content instead of getting bored with the same narrator every day. Step 2. Upload your lesson materials or textbook chapters directly into their text-to-speech tool. Whether it's science concepts, historical passages, or math word problems, simply copy and paste the text. The benefit here is immediate. What used to take you 2 hours of recording now takes 2 minutes of uploading. Step 3. Use their voice cloning feature to create a digital version of your own voice. With just 1 minute of your voice recording, ElevenLabs can clone your voice to read any text. This means your children still hear their familiar teacher, but you save countless hours of recording time. The psychological impact is significant because children trust and focus better when they hear a familiar voice explaining concepts. Step 4. Create multilingual content effortlessly. If you're teaching foreign languages or want to expose your children to different cultures, ElevenLabs supports 29 languages. You can have the same lesson read in Spanish, French, or Mandarin with authentic pronunciation. This builds cultural awareness and language skills simultaneously. Now, I was skeptical at first. I thought, can artificial intelligence really replace the personal touch of reading to my children? But here's what happened after we started using ElevenLabs for just 1 month. My kids began asking for story time with their lessons. They would voluntarily listen to science chapters while playing with building blocks. Their retention improved because they could replay difficult concepts as many times as needed without feeling embarrassed to ask me to repeat myself. Even my reluctant reader started engaging with literature when he could follow along with the audio version. Here's what I want you to do. Try ElevenLabs for the next 2 weeks. Start with just one subject that your children find challenging. Upload 1 chapter or lesson plan, and let the AI voice handle the heavy lifting. Watch how your children's engagement changes when learning becomes more accessible and interactive. Remember, small changes in how we deliver education can create massive improvements in how our children learn and grow. When we remove the barriers between our kids and knowledge, we unlock their natural curiosity and love for learning.